Welcome to the video, guys. My name is Nelson. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2004 cargo van. She's a 2500. She's got that big 6.0 Chevy motor. The motor's way in the back there, so it's kind of hard to see, but you do have some cool stuff, some vortex signs here, the antifreeze, the cap to the oil, motor oil here, transmission oil here, brake fluid here, power steering fluid here. She's actually in great shape, man, and she only has, what, 20,000 miles? I'm serious, 20,000 miles on the 2004. And just listen to that motor. Man, she sounds good. Let's go for a drive. 23,000 miles, 23,287 of the odometer, and that is just some wild, crazy miles for 2004. And as you can see here, I also have the Carfax, and it is very important to check your facts. 04 Express cargo van G2500 6.0, woo woo, rear wheel drive, no accidents reported to Carfax, 1 owner, 5 service vehicle, government vehicle, last owned in California and all California. So this is 100% what you want to see when you're looking at a Carfax. This van is super plain. It does not have power locks or power mirrors or power windows. Government vehicle. Some JB. AC works this way. You got to put it to max or to AC, and then you can set it. I'm getting a phone call. Oh God, what time is it? Oh God, it's 5:16. I gotta go pick up my son from school. I already started the video. Okay, I'll be back. You guys are having a great day. I'm having a really good day. Today's been super exciting. It's been super crazy. This is Golden State we're driving on, and Golden State is really bad right now. There's a couple noises here and there, but the suspension feels good. Acceleration wise is good. Transmission shifting good. The brakes, I'm a little bit worried about these brakes. They don't feel that great. They're a little spongy. But today has been insane. Today I've been fighting the police, and I've been fighting homeless people all day today. I mean, it has been a roller coaster. It is. I called the dispatch, and the lady that answered, she literally hung up on me. And I'm gonna take it all out on this car. So driving a big van like this, you got to be careful. I don't have any windows other than this driver window, and I can't really see out of those windows or my back. So I got to be really careful when I'm switching lanes. I got to depend on my mirrors. And 70 miles an hour now, and the van feels really good. The alignment seems to be okay. Let's see if I can go a little faster. Oh, there's a cop right behind me. So I'm gonna slow it down. I don't want to get stopped. I'm sorry, guys. Good time to test out my brakes. So I slowed all the way down to 60. Seems like it's still doing pretty good. 55. As I was saying, man, Turlock has just become terrible. I know that Turlock is some kind of a sanctuary, especially for these homeless, and it's just become so bad. We just had a broken window last week, and on Monday we had 4 catalytic converters stolen. Today we come into our office, and there is a lady sleeping in our office with a dog. The dog is going crazy, barking at us. We want to charge her with trespassing, and the police, they tell us that they cannot charge her with trespassing because they got permission. She got permission to use the restroom by someone that worked at the taco truck. Oh my God, it's just a disaster. Let me do a quick 0 to 60. Woo! That's pretty cool. I like that 6.0. It's not very fast. It's a 2500. It's got a lot of... This thing is heavy. And then when you load it up, I mean, you don't buy this thing for the speed. After half an hour right there with the police, They tell me, this is the bull right here. They tell me that they're gonna take her away, that she has a warrant out for her arrest in Arizona, in another state. This lady walked scot-free. Scot-free. She broke in and entering in my office. She trespassed. She brought a dog in there. If I would have walked in with my son, if I would have walked in by myself, if my dad would have walked into that office, because we didn't walk in, we went in and we said, whoa, there's something going on in here. And I called the police right away. We didn't go in. And the police, so rude, because this is the thing. We saw that there was something going on in there. We did not walk in. We called the police. She asked me 20 questions. What do they look like? What, you know, this or that. What is she wearing? And I tried to answer them the best that I could, but I didn't go into the office. We didn't want to. There was danger in there, and they want me to walk into danger. This is the biggest bull, and they didn't even do anything about it. But this van is cool. You know, you put your hand right here, and you put your elbow right here. This thing is comfortable. These leather seats are awesome, and actually the recliner is right here, so you can recline it. Woo! So I like it that's on the right hand side. That's really cool. But man, I gotta tell you, oh my god, this is supposed to be how reliable this video is. And look at this. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you do like it, you know, the algorithm will pick it up if all those little likes that you give to it, and more people will be able to see it, and more people will see the content and will realize that, gosh darn it, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I mean, what are we supposed to do? We supposed to take the law into our own hands? Because I was telling my dad, I was like, dude, let's just get in there and ran that person out. And my dad's like, no, the correct thing to do is call the police, get the police involved, and get them to get her out. And now I'm looking at it thinking that was the right thing to do, because we got her out safely and we didn't get hurt. But the police didn't do anything. The lady was like, this is not a big deal. You guys are making this a big deal. She's like, I was only sleeping in there for a couple hours. And I was like, dude, this is a big deal. How is you being in someone's property not a big deal? If I broke into someone's property, I'd be face down on the floor with a gun in my head. Oh my god. That's no joke. Right now in Turlock, we're getting robbed almost every single day, and I got it on video. And yeah, there's the police won't do nothing. The homeless are just running around crazy wild. I'm not a professional driver. I don't know how to drive a big old cargo van like this. I totally can, and it would probably just take me some time to get used to it. I think this van is very good, very reliable. We can just see the temperature, we can see the oil pressure. The oil pressure rises great. That means it's a gauge and not just a switch. Battery temperature and the gas. So far so good. Idles perfectly even when it's in drive. And that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. In conclusion, life sucks, but we gotta keep working, and we gotta keep working hard. So go get it, guys.